star you are, the prairies.
We should introduce them first. We're going to have Hannah Dickens and Madison Conway. And this shout out says, "Keep rocking, girls. Love, Grandma and Papa Homer."
The next one says, "Go Madison, you're the queen."
Hannah, we love you, Emma and Jessica.
Hannah, I'm proud of you, Meemaw Madden.
Hannah and Madison, you will always be dolls. That's Robert and Mom, a.k.a.
Madison and Hannah, you make a beautiful music together. Keep chasing those dreams, the Conways and
And again, another inside joke here. This goes to the girls, and it says, shout out, just says jellyfish.
Next one's from Madison, jellyfish. From Destiny Gosh.
And this is from Mom and Dad Conway, and it says, "Hannah, we're very proud of you. You can help Madison clean her room." And Madison, "I'm so proud of you, Mamaw."
The next one says, Madison Conway, you'll do great. Then you can go home and clean your room. Just think of how much cleaner it would be without the bear. Love, Mom, Dad.
Okay, without further ado, our last act of the first half, we've got Madison and Hannah.
We see
Woo!